Alright, so the objective is to design a simulation of a flying UAV that can fly along waypoints in virtual environments, or we simply call it a simulation. Alright, so the next is application slide. So the UAV LiDAR sensors that have scanner, MU and the other features sets cost between $50 to $300, but for most cases use high-end devices are preferable. And let's say a researcher invests $1,000 for LiDAR sensor. He need to carefully take care the sensor because he already invests a huge amount of money for it. So deploy a UAV right after install it is a no. You cannot expect nothing happen during the flight time. So when you invest so much in a sensor, you do not want to crash it accidentally. That's why a simulation is needed before deploy it. Alright, so next is coordinate. Before the UAV can fly, we need to give instruction where to fly. For this case, I put coordinate of 004 first. It means X0, Y0 and Z4. It means that the drone start to take off from coordinate of 000 to 004. Then it will go to 084 and the other coordinates. First row is the velocity for each axis, while the second row is the position of drone at certain time. First column is for x-axis, second column is for y-axis, and third is for z-axis. As you can see, the velocity for column 1, which is for x-axis, is 0. Why? This is because there is no change on x-axis, which is from coordinate 0, 0, 0 to 0, 0, 4. Remember the definition of velocity? Change of displacement versus change of time. If there is no displacement, then there is no velocity.